Sometimes entrepreneurs who come to the idea of like, should I start a business from scratch? Like, should I go with a franchise? They may look at a quote, simple business, seemingly simple, like storage, and say, oh, I don't need a franchise or I don't have to pay fees to go do that. I could just go do it on my own. So, what would you say to that after being in this business for so many years?
That's an awesome question. That's a great question. First, I'll tell you that if I could have got into a system back in 2002, I would have done it. Secondly, obviously, we have a national account program. We're engaged with ServiceMaster, ServPro, all the insurance companies. So you get buying power. So the minute you open, you automatically have business, right? We're not about setting people up for failure. We're about setting people up for success, and that's why our organizational chart is so packed with so much talent. Because I've always believed in paying it forward, and we still do that to this day. We've retired several multimillionaires after a decade of being in our system, and that's it's just so rewarding. I'm just a firm believer in you help enough other people get what they want, you'll get what you want, and so it's played true to this day.